In the delicate dance between form and function, designing storage for a Japanese tiny house on wheels requires more than just clever space saving. It calls for intention, minimalism, and harmony with nature. The placement of cabinet and storage in such a space is not random, it reflects a philosophy of balance, flow, and quiet efficiency. Start by anchoring your design around tatami zones or multi-use living space. In traditional Japanese homes, furniture is minimal and often mobile. So, cabinets are best placed low to the ground under seating platform or along perimeter walls to keep sightlines open and the space feeling calm and airy. Think shoji-inspired cabinets fronts using light wood tones and translucent panels to maintain brightness. Vertical storage is a quiet hero here. Utilize the full height of the walls, especially above kitchen counters or entryways, with light, narrow cabinets that echo tansu or modular chests in appearance. Avoid bulky fixture, instead opt for sliding doors rather than hanging ones, and not to traditional Japanese architecture and a practical solution in tight quarters. Underfloor compartments can also provide hidden storage without disrupting the flow of the space. These are ideal for off-season clothes or extra bedding. And the key, keep clutter out of sight. In the kitchen, modular cabinetry with open shelving invites both order and aesthetic display. Arrange ceramic dishware and wooden tools with mindfulness. Lastly, every cabinet should serve more than one purpose. A bench with hidden storage double as a tea corner, a ladder to the loft conceal drawers. Even the steps themselves can be designed as pull-out boxes. In a Japanese tiny house on wheels, storage is not just about what fits, it's about what belongs. By placing cabinets intentionally, respecting traditional aesthetic, and prioritizing simplicity, every inch becomes part of a larger, serene whole.